Are we going to bring it down or put it back?
Put it back.
Hang on, let me just put this over here for a minute. It's putting its beak out there.
Where's there?
Out through there, so that's good. It's all. Maybe we should do it that way.
Come on, come on.
Why out?
1, 2, 3.
Right. Tim, have you got it?
I think we need to put another towel over the top of the box. We'll pull it down and throw another towel over the top
No, we'll
of the box.
put this on top
Come on,
of it. That'll keep
hurry.
it in place. Can you shove it down your side a bit? We've got it. Right?
Oh yeah, that's good, Claire. Yeah, good thinking, Claire.
Alright. Is it bloody together? Can you hold the box a bit?
Yeah. Yeah.
We'll start
No,
taking it up. Good. Alright. There, let's put that around it.
It's still in the box. It's under.
Shh. Everybody get it out.
Yeah, leave the scene of the crime. Oh, it's in the tree. Is it out?